You are going to love the 2016 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.